Hello! Good day, Sir Madam. I'm Rachel Balisi Castillo, 40 years of age. I'm married, blessed with 3 children. 1 girl, 15 years old, 2 boys, 14 and 10 years old. My husband is a tricycle driver. I'm a college undergraduate. I'm a Roman Catholic. I have 2 brothers, and I'm the youngest in the family. Both my parents already passed away. I don't have any work experience abroad as a domestic helper, but here in our country, I work as a maid for 8 years with 2 employers. In my first employer, I served with them for 6 years. I served 5 members in the family, 2 adults, and they have 3 children. I finished working with them because they transferred to another place. In my second employer, I worked with them for 2 years, served 3 members of the family. I finished working with them because the elderly passed away. To my future employer, if you will hire me, I'm honest, trustworthy, respectful, hardworking, loyal, energetic, and I'm willing to learn more. And I will love and respect and treat your family as my own. Thank you and more power.